Welcome to the 5th video on getting into ID, coding or computer programming basics. Code is a sequence of instructions also known as a program, software, or an app. Just like instructions on a recipe for a dish, we write code because computers are waiting to help us solve problems. They have translators to convert the code to machine code. Coding is not just for programmers, but it teaches everyone how to think. You can write scripts to automate anything. It makes you stand out and it's fun. There are many programming languages to choose from, but it depends on if you are coding for desktop, web, mobile, database, or general purposes. Choose one that is easy to get started. Before coding, ensure you plan and design the solution. After coding, always test and maintain the code. Following software development lifecycle and DevOps principles. Adhere to best practices always when coding. Depending on the project, your code may be in a private or public repository, which could reside locally or on the cloud. Ensure you respect the different environments, be it testing, staging, or live, and use version control tools to organize your work. Each programming language is just another language, with its syntax and software development kits. There are several tools at your disposal to make computer programming fun and easy. That was 90 seconds on getting into IT coding basics by Vitus DK. Kindly like and share.